Hello, this is Jay King, self-made millionaire, coming to you from millionairepenny.com. And today I'd like to talk to you about minimizing your risk on trades. This is one of the most important subjects that changed my life as a trader. I've been trading for over 17 years, going on 18 years. And I manage now 9 brokerage accounts, and they total at least 7 figures. And so when it comes to trading, I know what I'm talking about. And trading is not something that you just learn to do. Trading has to become a discipline. If you're going to get good at trading, then you're going to have to learn to discipline yourself. When I first started off trading, I thought I knew everything about money. You know how you're young and you think you know everything. And when I was exposed to a catastrophic loss, this set me in order, and it humbled me. And what I did was eventually I started to get mentorship, and I learned how to trade with skill and with discipline. But remember, anytime you approach the stock market, you want to develop a system that will help you to become successful, and you adhere and you stick to that system. You don't deviate from it. You don't let emotional hype, you don't let news and media cause you to deviate from your system. And so today I'd like to talk to you briefly about minimizing your trades. All of you know that we started off with 30,500 if you look at the screen, and now we're at, I believe, 30. We just reached over 32,000 today. So look real closely. I did most of these trades today on my iPhone, and this is for our premium account traders. And what I did, I want to show you, I did 3 trades, and I lost on 2 trades, and I gained on 1 trade. And what you have to understand is when you lose on trades, people that lose on trades, a lot of times they lose because they don't have any skill in any strategy. But the right terminology for traders that trade with discipline is, we call it minimizing your risk. Because when you lose on a trade, you really don't lose money, but you're choosing to exit the trade so you can protect your principal. And it's so important. So when you look here at BDSI, I bought this at 288, and it went all the way up to 290, 291. And the reason I entered into this trade is because I was playing the breakout, and I recognized it was getting ready to break key levels of resistance, which was 290, 291. And so I recognized that it was a failed breakout. And when I went into the trade, remember, my goal was for it to break 290, 291 and go all the way up to 315, and it didn't do that. So when I saw that it was hitting resistance levels, that just simply means resistance levels is when a stock will not go past a certain price, kind of like hitting a wall, hitting the ceiling. And so when I recognized that, I minimized my risk. Now look at this. I went in with 1,000 shares at 288. But notice I exited the trade at 287, so I only lost 10 bucks on this trade. Now, when you add the commission, I paid $7.99 to buy, $7.99 to sell. That's about a $15 loss as well with the commission. So that's only $25. Now, you know, I can go out to eat at a restaurant. I have 4 kids, so, $25 for me is 4 Happy Meals or a couple of hamburgers, right? And so I can trade several times when I minimize my risk. That's the point that I want to show you, is when you learn to minimize your risks, the opportunities are endless. They're unprecedented, because when you enter into trading, you have to trade with skill and with discipline. If you're not trading with a system, then you're gambling. And so I wanted to show you these today. I'm not going to hold you. I'm going to show you these trades. This one, I took this trade. I bought 500 shares of BLFS at 229. This did not break out. I was playing the breakout. And when I entered into this trade, the resistance levels were 230, 231. It could not break past that price. So before I entered into the trade, I already had a mental stop loss set, and I knew I was going to exit at 226, 227. So I stuck with my rules, and I kept my trades minimized. On this trade, I lost 15 bucks. On this one, I lost 10 bucks. That's 25 plus 15 on commission. So you're looking at $55 loss on 2 trades. But on Twitter, I made about $80 or $90, so that hedged me from these 2 losses, which I only made about 30 or 40 bucks today. So understand something, guys. 30 or 40 bucks is not a lot of money, right? But what is valuable is that I stuck with my rules and I protected my principal. And today I'm $30 richer. And guess what? I stuck with the rules and I stuck with the discipline. So it's not so much, don't focus so much about making money or how much money I'm going to make on a trade. Focus more on trading with discipline. And when you trade with discipline, you're going to grow and you're going to become a successful trader. Again, this is Jay King, self-made millionaire. Come check us out at millionairepenny.com. Have a great day.